Okay, so you can set up RightPunch so that it's in an always scanning mode, and this is how it can be utilized in a completely touchless manner. And so it's basically prompting the employee at all times to scan a barcode or a QR code. So I'm enrolled as employee Carlos Hayes, and I have his QR code printed out, and I'm just gonna hold it up to the camera and embed it in the front of the tablet. You see that it immediately reads that, and then prompts me to take my picture. The picture here is just stored for documentation purposes, so there's no actual face matching that's being done with the photo in this configuration, but you can see how fast and simple that was. Just scan the barcode, immediately capture the picture. RightPunch will store all of the photographs as well, so that if a manager suspects that someone is buddy punching or something like that, they can always go back and investigate that. And of course, the employees know that their picture is being taken whenever they punch, so it serves as an effective deterrent to buddy punching.